Student, today we'll start with a new topic, chapter number 4, Media and I. That is a part 2. First part we had already completed. Life is meant to be lived, not flattened. We'll start with this chapter. In this chapter, we will be learning about how the information messages, what the use of social media we are using nowadays. That all information you are going to learn in this chapter. We have already seen that many a time disrespect and a feeling of inferiority toward women is generated in our mind due to advertisement, cinema, and TV series. Let us now try to understand some other dimension of this. A hero is shown chasing, following the heroine, troubling her, yet he is not punished. The hero and the villain fight among themselves for the heroine without asking or considering the heroine choice. This is common we see in the films. Same way here in the society also, or in nowadays also you can find eve teasing. What the meaning of eve teasing? I will explain you. Teasing a girl, passing the comments on them, possibility of misbehavior. Many parents avoid sending their daughter. Some people behave in this manner on the road or in the crowd. Just because of this passing indecent comments, insecurity, in foul language, deprived of many opportunities. Criticizing. Do you think that we should create an atmosphere of making security for everybody in the society? What attempt will you make for this? Under eve teasing. In the atmosphere, what are the points? How is the atmosphere in your classes? Is there any atmosphere of equality in your class? Does anyone in the class passes inappropriate comments or tease anybody which make other uncomfortable? In a classroom, the atmosphere should be such a way that you should understand each other and try to solve each other's problem. Same way, does everybody get equal opportunity to participate in class or group project? Everyone should have the equal opportunity to participate in the school projects. In a school, do you find obscene message or rumors being spread about anyone? Give the student 5 to 10 minutes to just go through it, so that you must know about the atmosphere in your classes. Now, as a responsible social behavior, protecting each other from other people indulging in misbehavior. Be aware of people trying to misbehave with you. Say no firmly to anyone trying to misbehave with you. Inform them to somebody you trust. If you see anyone misbehaving with someone you know, try to put a stop to the misbehavior and inform the elder about this. Never tolerate anyone who take undue advantages or misbehave with you or anybody else. The girl should always be aware if anybody is misbehaving with you. You should say firmly, you should say no to that, and you should inform to your elder. If you find any other girl in a trouble, you should try to reach that girl and try to help her. Is it clear to everyone? So I hope all of you understood this point. Now respect people around you. Many people may like us, but we may not necessarily like all of them. Similarly, we may like many people, but they all need not necessarily like us. Once we understand this, become easy to respect each other opinion. Just as you may have likes and dislikes, learn to respect and accept others' likes and dislikes. It is important to know your limits and behave. Taking advantages of crowded place for misbehave is a obeisance or uncivilized manner with girl, whistling at them, passing or writing vulgar remarks, writing degrading remarks about someone on a wall. All such practice must be avoided and prevented at any cost. Students, always remember that all living beings have some basic needs which are essential for survival. Trees require soil, water, fertilizer, etc. Animal and human being also have some needs, but the major difference between animal and human being is that an human being follow certain rules or system even for fulfilling their basic needs, such as when they are thirsty they want clean water, when hungry they don't eat spoiled food. They have the ability to control their desires, have patience. It is a sign of a responsible person to follow certain rules for fulfilling each even our basic desire. That means the human being have some rules are there in the society, and according to that we have to follow that rules. We have to be in that limitation, and we have to fulfill our basic needs. I hope all of you understood this point. As our insistence and attraction increase, we start climbing higher on the ladder shown. However, at the same time, we start degrading as a responsible person with every step. Get authentic and reliable information. Always remember that whatever the information reaches us, that should be accurate. We obtain the knowledge about how the different system in our body work, what are vitamins, etc. from subject like anatomy and physiology. But we can remain fit only after applying that information in our day-to-day life. For example, if we have the information on vitamin but we does not eat the food item containing vitamins, then this information is of no use to us. Also, if we have incomplete or wrong information on such topics, that we may feel anxious or afraid. Example, if you sit next to a person suffering from leproscopy, you will be affected by that disease. Many a time, wrong information may lead to extreme curiosity or anxiety, and to satisfy it, we may tend to indulge in extremely risky behavior without thinking about the consequence. For example, when someone says that by eating a tablet we might be able to reduce 5 kilos of weight in 2 days. Support of law. Cybercrime is a criminal act performing using electronic or computerized media like mobile, computer, pen drive, camera, etc. Writing objectionable obeisance comment about a person or an institution, misuse or stealing of personal and sensitive information, publishing or broadcasting objectionable content about somebody are some of the example of cybercrime. Action like financial penalty and imprisonment can be taken if found guilty. So in the last topic we had learned support of law. That means if you are passing a false information about some person on a social media, that can be a criminal offenses. So you can be punished for that. So be aware that while using a social information or social media or passing any information about someone. Now the next one is social media. The media which is used by different people in the society to connect, to discuss, to communicate, to share each other expression, opinion or information is called social media. WhatsApp, these are the media we are using nowadays. WhatsApp is famous. Mostly we to communicate with each other, we follow WhatsApp. Next, Facebook, Twitter, etc. are example of social media. Effects of spreading false information. Since there is no external control over social media, most of the time no one can be held responsible for any misinformation published on it. Anti-social elements often take undue advantages of this. They create misunderstanding amongst different groups by discriminating wrong information or claiming their own opinion to be the truth. If you happen to receive such information, as a responsible person, you should check its validity, the fact involved, and only then believe it. How you will verify the information is right or wrong? Check if the same information is available on the internet. In case you find the information, check if it is available on the official website of any of the newspaper or government department. Is the person providing the information an authorized person? Does he or she has any statistical detail of the same, or is or she only expressing his own opinion? After verifying all these aspects, decide whether to trust the information or not. Illusion of being heard. All through social media provide us with the freedom to express our opinion. It may not necessarily mean that other person carefully pay attention to them or try to understand them. People are in the habit of casually clicking like or our views, and it may not necessarily mean anything to them. You may have seen in the Facebook when you post something, thousands of like will come on that. Thousands, but is it necessary that all the 1,000 people have read your post? Not necessary. All your might be close your friends or maybe family member just see your articles and they just keep on clicking like on that. Real life and online life. Everyone tends to publish only positive thing about himself herself on the social media. However, real life consists of both positive and negative incidents. People may feel depressed by looking at the positive thing that other post and think that nothing positive happen in their life. Misconception or perfection. Because of social media, people tend to believe that their physical appearance, like their life, their relationship, must always be flawless, complete, and ideal, otherwise, they are worthless. Those to portray such an ideal life, people tend to exaggerate, lie, and create an online illumination about themselves. However, they feel inferior in real life. In reality, life is always imperfection. We need to work on it to make it better. Understanding the situation. It takes a number of things to create an awareness about an external situation. Words, body language, expression, style of communication, etc. According to one research, only 7% communication take place through words. Rest 93% is through body language, gesture, and the tone of speech. Unless we understand the social situation around us, we cannot move around and interact with the people in our society. The brain connection required for this understanding are created only through actual experience. This means that more we spend time on social media, the more we lose our actual or real life experience. However, hence we may not be able to develop the social skill required for actual interaction. Students, maximum time we spend on the social media on Facebook or WhatsApp. So through communication between the friends or any family members is had been reduced by day. So this expression, this social media we are interacting, they make us not being us closer. This make us far away from each other. I hope all of you understood this point. The like sign can have a number of meaning. If social media is the only way to communicate and respond to other, it has reduced our personal dialogues with other. We must remember that it may create a lot of misunderstanding. We may be under the impression that we are connected with many people and we have many friends because of social media, but this connection is very superficial. The possibility of real and meaningful friends on social media is very limited. The more we spend time on social media, the lesser we interact with people personally, and hence we do not form a real connect with anybody. In Facebook friends, you must be having friends 500 friends, 600 friends, but in a real life, there are very limited friends that will be in a when you need some friend in a situation, there only few friends will be available. So students, always remember that instead of wasting your time on a Facebook interaction, make friends, those who are friends nearby, connect within the social more with them. We have seen the negative side of the media. The positive side of the media is also important. Media provide us with information on mythology, history, and science. Educational information, exam result, thought of different people, invitation, audio-visual information can be obtained in no time because of the media. It is also easier to exchange thoughts with the help of media. The role of media is also important is national unity, social transformation. Use of media is also very effective in the area of agriculture, health, education, injustice and trade. I hope all of you students understood this chapter. So we had completed this chapter.